Keep noisy solar inverters out of quiet rooms by following a simple placement thumb rule for minimum distance from living spaces. Place the inverter where it will not transmit vibration or airborne noise into bedrooms or primary living areas. Mount on an exterior wall with the inverter body at least 3 to 6 feet away from bedroom windows, and avoid locating it on walls directly adjacent to master bedrooms or home offices. If you must place the inverter near a garage, mount it on the garage exterior wall so the garage acts as a buffer between the unit and living spaces. Use rubber isolation mounts and a short, flexible conduit run to reduce structure-borne vibration and seal any gaps with acoustic caulk to stop sound leaks through wall penetrations. For models that are known to be louder, consider installing an acoustic enclosure that still allows airflow and meets the manufacturer recommended clearances. Ensure you maintain those clearance distances for cooling to prevent thermal shutdown or shorten component life. During siting, check the inverter noise rating at typical operating power and listen to the model on site where possible, because published numbers can understate tonal noise that annoys occupants. 3 common mistakes are putting the inverter on thin interior walls that transmit vibration directly into bedrooms and not using isolation mounts, which results in amplified noise and creaks. Remedy that by relocating to an exterior wall or adding anti-vibration brackets. Another error is ignoring manufacturer clearance and ventilation needs, which causes overheating and louder fan operation. Maintain the specified clearances and provide free airflow or passive vents. The third is selecting a noisy model without hearing it first, which leads to long-term dissatisfaction. Solution is to audit noise at operating load, pick a low noise design or add an acoustic enclosure, and verify cooling is not compromised. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for sensible inverter siting and other house projects, and it helps contractors find work by listing their services to nearby homeowners. We also host an active discussion community where we share experiences on equipment noise, mounting details, and local installer recommendations so we can learn from each other.